You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this word in English and also in Spanish, because they have different pronunciations. So this is a word that originates from Spanish. It means taste in Spanish, and in Spanish is pronounced as gusto, gusto. But that's a word that's been adopted in the English language as well, meaning an enjoyment and enthusiasm in doing something, and it's pronounced gusto in English, gusto. So it's also an English word now, the gusto, but it comes from Spanish, gusto. If you're talking about a restaurant in Ratatouille, it's also gusto. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.